Hi guys, welcome back. It is Thursday the 27th of February. This video is filmed directly after the one that you've watched at 3 o'clock earlier this afternoon. If I've scheduled this right, this video will be going up at 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the evening. Now we're starting here, but I am going to have a little walk around down here because there is another machine down here. Oh, my glasses have just come off my neck. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. So we've got Desmond there working. And this machine here, the one I'm taking you to see, this like turquoisey, bluey, greeny colour. From a distance it looked like it was going to be much bigger than Desmond, but I don't know. From here now it looks like it's smaller. It's got a number on the side. It says SK300. So maybe it's the same size. Desmond's got a number on him, so we're going to check the number. So this is the number on that one. Go in. You see that? SK300. Let's go out again because there's no need to go in that far. So yeah, it's got a good like hydraulic thingy, lifting bitty thingy on there, and nice grabber attachment there. Yeah, I think that could be the same size as original Desmond. Because it's going to be, I don't know, Desmond blue, or is it more green? Or do you have a better name? I don't know. SK, that one could be called Skylar, because it's kind of a blue colour. So that could be Skylar, Desmond's cousin. Let's go down now, and the mission will be to see if I can zoom in on that number on Desmond. So let's walk. Oopsie daisy, nearly fell off then. Let's walk around here. I am walking on this thing like a gymnastic balance beam. Let's get around this little corner here, and then when I get a good clear view of Desmond, I'm going to have to step down. I'm going to have to zoom in on the number because I can't see. Right, he's got a number. Skylar is 300. So hang on, glasses on. Right, come on, camera, don't let me down here. It'll be a messy. Can you see that number? Oh, sorry about that guys, it wobbled all over the place, but that is 380. So Desmond is 380 and Skylar is 300, then Desmond is definitely the bigger, stronger cousin. So let's just walk back round again now, and now we've sorted that out, we can film our dear Desmond a bit longer. But I just want to get at an angle where I can turn around and the sun won't be in my face. But this looks like a good spot. Yes. What about that? Is that blurry or is that okay? I think that looks okay. I might have fixed the settings. Not that they were broken. It was just me being an idiot and having gone the wrong way. Quite a bit. And we'll just stick with this view for a bit. Maybe move a little bit actually. Just a little bit. There we go, that's better. That's It's a money shot, isn't it, guys? Can you zoom in? 'Cause I know this camera used to be brilliant at zooming in on the course. See, when I press it a little bit, it goes in on its own. There we go, we'll just stay there, then you folks can just watch a bit of ordinary demolition. And I'm hoping I'll be able to come back tonight, because I'm going to go home in a bit, and then I'm going to just relax, fix and upload these videos and edit them and everything. And just schedule them to come on my channel. Have a bit of dinner, and then hopefully I won't be too tired to come out again this afternoon. Yeah, the bridge is definitely the best spot for filming, I would think. It's a much better view from filming down below. And like I said previously, because I'm stood here, right by this barrier, and we've got just a slope there, then the fence there, there's pretty much nobody that can stand in front of us. I mean, even if that car park area was open and there was like 50 people stood by that fence watching, where that security guy's watching, he's a gateman actually, but even if there was like 50, 60 people stood near him, that wouldn't take away from the view we've got now. So really, out of almost all of the demolitions I've filmed over the years, and I have filmed many demolitions over the years, this is probably one of the best views we've got. Although the ambassador view was quite decent, if you watch that one. That was a great fun demolition to film. Look, Desmond's getting right in there, pulling things out. I wonder if he's just pulling supports out, so a bit of the building will collapse, because there's that one bit of concrete, like a girder just there, that's supporting the whole of that corner. So when he pulls out stuff from the middle bit and the inside, he just pulls out that one support pillar, maybe that corner will just collapse dramatically. I don't know, they might, he knows what he's doing anyway. Go on, Desmond, get in there, get a good grab, bite and chomp. I would love to have to go on these machines. I bet it'd be like playing a video game, but except in real life. Although I pretty much suck at video games. I'm like terrible at video games. guys, unfortunately I am going to have to end this one here because I've got a bit more shopping to do. Then I want to go home. I want to edit these videos and schedule them for upload and have a bit of dinner, and I've got stuff to do around the house. But after that, hopefully I will come out and film again this afternoon. So thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying this demolition, and I shall see you all soon in the next one. Goodbye.